Brother Peter, I remember. Hi, Brother Peter.
Hi, Sister Marjorie.
I remember you told me you want to know something in Creole or in French. I don't know.
Yes.
What you want to know?
I want to know, how do you say in your language, what was the question again?
And say that again.
How do you say tomorrow by God's grace?
In French or in Creole?
You pick it.
Okay.
Now, how about this? How do you say, I will see you tomorrow by God's grace in Creole?
Okay. Repeat after me. Moi après demain.
Ouais, about demain.
Si bon Dieu vle. Si bon Dieu vle.
Si bon Dieu vle.
Moi après demain.
Mais après
Repeat again. Moi ap
ouais,
ou demain si bon Dieu vle. Moi après demain si bon Dieu vle. Oh, Brother Peter.
Frère Jacques.
Okay, in French. À demain.
À demain.
Si Dieu veut.
Si je veux.
À demain.
À demain.
Si Dieu veut.
Si Dieu veut.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
By God's grace.
By God's grace.
Moi après ou demain si Dieu veut. Come on, Brother Peter. Let me see your.
Yakshimash, Jankoya, Dovidzenia, Mark Schnell, hola, muchas gracias, Dios es número uno, para siempre. Jesus.
À demain si Dieu veut. What do you say? What do you say?
I said,
what you just
God
say?
is number one, Jesus.
Oh, amen.
German, Sprechen Sie Deutsch means, do you speak German? Bonjour.